Hello, my name's Gary and today I want to have a quick chat about folding or portable shower commodes. Have you been looking for a portable folding shower commode that offers you the stability and safety of your commode at home with a rigid frame? Look no further than the Züm. The Züm has joined our Raz family and is a folding portable shower commode. So it gives us the offering of self-propelling wheels or smaller Attendant propelled. We can change out the seats and foot plates, seats primarily around pressure care or bowel care routines. And the compact cross-frame design at the front of the chair means we can still get back over most toilet pans. So real simple folding. And then with this we can then remove the foot plates, the backrest also comes off, and the self-propelling wheels can detach. So if you think the portable folding Züm today will suit your needs or your client's needs, please give us a call to discuss those options and we're more than happy to help out.